You don't need 21 days to change your life, not 90, not even a week. What you really need is one brutally honest day, one day where you stop distracting yourself, stop negotiating with your excuses, and finally face the truth about who you are and where your life is going. The reality is simple. It's not that you don't have time, it's that you're not being honest with yourself. You already know what needs to change. You've just been avoiding it. So today I'm giving you something different. Not motivation, not empty hype, but a powerful 24-hour reset system that can shift your mindset, your energy, and your direction fast if you actually commit to it. Step 1 is total disconnection. Pick one full day and completely unplug. No phone, no social media, no scrolling, no notifications, no distractions. Just you and your thoughts. Most people aren't broken, they're overstimulated. Your brain is constantly filled with noise, opinions, and pressure, leaving no space to think clearly, and clarity only comes when the noise stops. At first it might feel uncomfortable, even boring, but that discomfort is where truth begins. If you can't sit alone with your own thoughts, that's not boredom, that's avoidance. Step 2 is the mirror check. Stand in front of a mirror, look yourself straight in the eyes for 5 minutes and ask one simple question: who am I pretending to be? Don't rush it, don't look away, and don't try to give yourself an easy answer. Let it hit you. Because somewhere along the way you started performing for approval, for validation, for acceptance, and deep down you already know it. This moment is about breaking that pattern and finally getting real with yourself. Step 3 is to cut the dead weight. Take a notebook and write down the habits that are holding you back, the environments that are draining your energy, and the lies you keep telling yourself just to stay comfortable. Be honest, even if it stings. Then don't just close the notebook. Rip the page, tear it up, throw it away, because awareness alone doesn't change your life. Action does. This is you making a clear decision that you're done being that version of yourself. Step 4 is the power hour. Set a 60-minute timer and divide it into 3 parts. Spend the first 20 minutes moving your body. Run, work out, do push-ups, take a cold shower. Do something that challenges you physically. The next 20 minutes, dump everything on your mind onto paper with no filter, no structure, just raw thoughts. And the final 20 minutes, sit in complete silence. No phone, no music, just breathe and be present. This is where you start to feel a shift. More control, more awareness, more presence. Step 5 is the 9 p.m. reset. Go back to the mirror one last time, but this time don't question anything. Just look at yourself and say, "Thank you for showing up." Not for being perfect, not for achieving everything, but for staying present and being honest for one full day. Because that alone is rare. Most people spend their entire lives running, hiding, and distracting themselves, but you didn't. One day, just one real focused, honest day, can change the direction of your entire life. Not because you suddenly became someone new, but because you finally stopped pretending and started taking control. So if this message hit you, don't just scroll past it. Act on it today. And make sure to subscribe to Elite Success Lab for more powerful, real mindset content that helps you level up every single day.